Greetings, mathematicians. Today we're looking at example 3 in section 6.1, simplifying a rational expression. And in order to simplify the rational expression, we need to think about how things are going to simplify. One thing that we can do is actually expand the numerator and denominator, and any numbers can be expanded using prime factorization. So, for example, the numerator could be 2 times x, that gives me my 2 times x squared, times y, times y, times y, times y, times y. 5 times is y to the 5th. That divided by the prime factorization of 8 as 2 times 2 times 2. So 2 times 2 times 2. There's my prime factorization of 8 times x times x times x times x. 4x, there's x to the 4th power, and then times y times y times y, and I'm going to extend that fraction bar out. Now I can start simplifying. Factors that show up in the numerator and the denominator can simplify to 1 over 1. So 2 divided by 2 simplifies to 1 over 1. X divided by x simplifies to 1 over 1. This x divided by that x simplifies to 1 over 1. These 3 y's will simplify with those 3 y's to 1 over 1. And what you have left, 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 times y, leaves you with y squared. And that's in the numerator. In the denominator, we have 2 times 2 times x, so that would be 4x squared. And that would be our answer for example 3. However, we don't have to expand everything out. We can go straight from here and simplify. So for example, I'm just going to write the 2x squared y to the 5th divided by 8x to the 4th y to the 3rd. So this 2 and this 8 simplify to 1 over 4. X squared divided by x to the 4th is actually going to simplify to 1 over x squared. And y to the 5th divided by y third is going to simplify to y to the 2nd power. And another way of looking at that is looking at your exponents. You have x being multiplied twice in the numerator, x being multiplied 4 times. You have more x's being multiplied in the denominator, so that's where it's going to stay. It's going to stay in the denominator. So with that 4x squared, and there's 2 more x's, so that's what the exponent is. Same thing with the y. Y to the 5th divided by y to the 3rd. There's more y's being multiplied in the numerator, so that's y is going to stay in the numerator. How many more? Well, there's 2 more. So a couple different ways on how you can answer example 3.